Today topic 4-quadrant chopper. What is meant by chopper? The variable DC voltage from on constant DC voltage. The types of chopper, there are 5 types: class A, class B, class C and class D, and finally class E. The class E is known as 4-quadrant chopper. The component for the 4-quadrant chopper, the 4 chopper and 4 diode and the inductor and supply are based on the and the 4-quadrant operations will be the display on the characteristics. Okay, first we will see the first quadrant operations. So the supply given on the CH1 will be operated on the on stage and go on to the power to the inductor and supply based on and pass to the CH4, then automatically off on the CH1. So pass to the CH2 is CH4, that level change to the second quadrant. So we continuously turn on the pass to the CH2. Okay, automatically CH2 the on state will be CH4 will be off stage. So pass on to the inductor will be any energy storage for the second quadrant. Then automatically will be move on to the third quadrant. So we change of the energy storage for the inductor passing through the CH3. The CH3 will be on state, will be move on to the reverse polarity for the supply. Reverse polarity for supply for the staging. So we will be the both the voltage and current will be the negative shade. So will be the polarity will be changed on the with the currently passing to the level. Automatically we will move on the 4-quadrant. Finally we will the CH4 will be on stage and the energy storage will be gathering on the operator will be the D2 and D3 will be conducting. Finally we will see on the advantage, the quick responsibility, high efficiency, and the power circuit will be operating on the simple and variable on the controller. Better the variable on the controller, and the applications will be the speed control of DC motor and then battery charging and lighting and control will be seen. Thank you.